everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to peel Spanish needle white flower. Okay, let us start with the petals. All the strips I used for the petals are 1 mm by 290 mm long. In this part, you have to loosen the coil to achieve a long teardrop shape. I apply glue all over it to shape it tightly. Let them completely dry. Once they are no longer sticky, try to shape them properly, then glue them together. I have made 4 pairs of these petals prior to the recording of this video. For the green sepal, I use 2 strips of 1 mm by 290 mm long side. For the yellow center, I use 3 mm by 60 mm side. French the strip carefully and slowly. Point, we're done with our Spanish needle white flower. You can use this tiny white flower as added decoration to your projects. Thank you for watching again.